this is Shoaib from Navigationdisk, and we're very much excited today. We are shipping NSZN-Z66T SD card to United Kingdom, and this is the official SD card, as you guys can see, the brand new SD card. And this is the customer footage, NSZN-Z66T. So the customer said that he doesn't have an SD card, which is correct. He also sent a photo to us, and this is the map slot. If you take a look on that, there is no SD card, right? So once he received the SD card from us, you just need to put the card over there, and it's a plug and play. So restart the card, that's it, it's a serial, and a 08605 is the serial number. That's right. This is the background settings. Still, we can send him the Android kit. So he's shared if it's possible. We said yes, it's possible, and we will let him to do it. So thank you so much, Mr. Greg, for ordering from UK. We inshallah will deliver the SD card in a few times, because we are working on hard to complete a shipment with the Fedex team, as you know. So keep in touch and stay tuned with the Navigationdisk. We love you all. Thank you.